Are you considering enrolling in for a BBA course? You're making a good choice if you want to pursue a career in business administration. As the world economy grows, there's going to be a huge requirement for management graduates. However, if you're still unsure about the whole decision, I, Professor Rituparna, would like to share why BBA is more than just a degree. Many people consider BBA as just another bachelor's degree version of a master's program, but this is not true. Here are some of the reasons. BBA is a versatile degree. A BBA degree is not just about getting a degree for the job you want, there's a lot more to it. While most degrees, especially at the bachelor's level, are more about theory, BBA is a combination of theory, practical knowledge application, and personality development. You also learn many different skills that will make you a well-rounded professional and set you up for success. There are multiple disciplines explored in a BBA program. A vast array of subjects is covered that will make you a knowledgeable professional and give you many options for pursuing a career. The different disciplines covered in a BBA degree are marketing, accounting, financial management, production, operations, human resources management, and strategic management. The third reason is that BBA is a completely professional degree that interests students who are serious about getting into careers in business and management. Students can get placed in good companies right after getting their BBA degree. There is no need for getting expensive master's degree, which pretty much teaches you the same things as you will learn on the job. BBA holders have the highest employment rate as compared to any other bachelor's degree. A BBA program also teaches entrepreneurship and managing the family business, which could be your reasons for considering a BBA program. If doing an MBA is what you desire, BBA can serve to be a stepping stone for it. Graduates from all over different streams can join the MBA course, but if you are a BBA graduate, you will fare much better than others. BBA is an excellent preparation for an MBA. You're mostly taught the same things, but you delve much deeper into the subject in an MBA. This way, you know the fundamentals well and are better prepared. Also, the MBA is where you have to choose your specialization, so with a BBA, your career path is much clearer to you. When you apply for a BBA degree, you're pretty clear in what direction you want to go. You're choosing to get into business administration and management from the very start. Therefore, you're in the field of your choice and this will get you job satisfaction. Most people spend their lives doing jobs they hate, but this will most likely not be the case with you. Job satisfaction also greatly affects one's health and outlook on life. As mentioned before, a BBA degree is not just about education, you also learn about personality development. The degree teaches you to be a strong, confident person who's capable of handling teams and run a whole company. You're taught to be a team leader and a good team player as well. You're also taught to be a good public speaker, as you have to give a lot of presentations during your BBA program. By the end of your degree, you'll be more confident and communicative. Since BBA is a professional degree and most students who graduate start working in the professional world, you will have a great network of people working in different companies. These people can open many doors for you regarding better jobs and more networking opportunities, and you could do the same for them. Networking always leads to better opportunities. Updated knowledge is one of the best advantages to have, and you get this with a BBA degree. The BBA course is a well-designed course that aims to teach students as much as possible in the business world. The course is also updated according to the latest trends and developments in the industry, giving students a distinct advantage. From best industry practices to the use of technology, BBA students are better equipped with knowledge. A BBA degree will open a world of opportunities for you regarding education and professions. So if you're still on the fence about the degree, go for it. It will be the best decision that you've made.